Yep, my crown of thorns coconut tree got a little bit bigger. Dang, like a 1/4 inch. Since the neighborhood goat can't nibble on it no more. Sorry, Barbara. Anyway. These thorns grow so fast, man. These are the 2 things, really 3, that I'm trying to manage so that the roots still live, but the top is not too big, like a great big tree. This one I got going up. All I got to do is really, most of the time, just trim the top a little bit, but this one's all sprawled out. Try to get it to go up too. And I still have to, you know, because if this gets covered up with sand, it's gonna, somebody's gonna stub their toe. Anyway, it was a beautiful day in the Philippines. And it was sprinkling this morning. And so I went home and watched the game. All right, let's go check out what's going on up here. Because it's like 2 o'clock, so I didn't, we're missing like 1.5 people now. Half a day for Lieutenant and Run, and a full day for Michael. So let's go check them out. Welding in the rain. Don't catch the banana tree on fire, man. Oh. It's actually sprinkling right now. Guess he knows what he's doing. Look how it's raining down fire. Yeah, that can burn you, the little sparks, because you see them things all over the welders in the shipyard. All right, it is build day 132, and here on Javonaville. And I just got here in the morning and it's drizzling. I ordered some steel bar yesterday. Jesus is bringing it in here right now, so we can have it for more reinforcing C-purlins and for some walls. So the price of those actually went down a little bit from the last time I was there. Last time I was there it was 175, and now it's 165. 165 pesos per bar, which is considerably less than the 16 mm. The 16 mm come out to $10 a bar, $10 US. These are 165, so what's that? 1, 2, 3, a hair over $3 a bar. So I got to get back home because I forgot to bring the money for the I forgot to bring the money for the 10 mm. So that's all you need right now is that 10 mm, huh? Right?
Yeah.
Where's JoJo? Oh, there you are, JoJo. Oh, I got you on film. So I think Michael's missing. I'll check back later. I gotta go get the money for that. So peace out from 62 to Freedom. We'll get back, see what happens. Hopefully it don't rain all day. All right. It's still beautiful even when it rains. Look. I don't know if you're new to the channel. You know, I built that bathroom on top of the septic tank. It smells like, you know, all the P-traps work great in there. You can't smell anything in there. And that's a practice run on those windows. I like the way that blue, because the roof is going to be blue. And so all the glass is going to look like that. It's reflective silver on the inside and blue like that on the outside. When the sun hits that, it really pops. So slide glass doors, everything. All the windows are going to be that color. Which I think that looks nice. And the house is going to be white. So that's the plan. All right. I'll get back with you later. You know, the Vikings play. So I'm not going to be here for a little while. I'll probably come here after lunch, because in the US, you know, the Vikings already played, but you know, they played at 3-something yesterday, I think. And so on NFL Plus, I couldn't watch it till the game is over, like 3 hours later. So I couldn't watch it till 6:30 p.m., which was 6:30 this morning. So I could watch the game now. So peace out. So this beam they're working on this side of the beam, they poured it this morning. And it's complete. So they finished the form going from there to that column down there. And now they're working on this column right here. So they got it blocked off right there, so they couldn't get through. So that's good. He took off for personal reasons. Right there. Wow, you can kind of see the shape of it now. Wow. It's pretty cool. The way it ties in like that. So you see how it is. And there'll be panels welded on top of that. Or maybe not welded, I'm not sure how they attach it. So it looks very good. So this cross beams go all the way out to the end. Imagine, oh yeah, you see how that one is? It's cut off straight down there at the end. So that's how that will be. Then there will be a gutter right there, even with that cut right there. So they still need to cut this one. See that? All the rest of them, it looks like. Yeah. They cut this one at the end, it looks like. So, and then you see how that is. So, they're working on the other side now. They're getting ready to weld one of them over there now. Ouch. So, always coming along at Nirvanaville. They're working on a form. There was 2 beams yesterday. There'll only be 1 beam left after today, because they'll be done with this form by and poured by the end of the day. Sure of that. Because that's how they do it. Save the pouring to the end. So, wow, all the beams look really good. See, there's not much little ding-dangs, little knickknacks, which are gonna hold what they call a skim coat. You know, it's a finer coat that they put on the outside of it, then you just paint that. Skim coat is smooth, but it can't go on a smooth surface. You got to put it on a, you know, like the little holes in it are a good thing to hold the skim coat. Like, see all those little teeny holes right there? That's very good. They'll like use something and ship them in so that they make sure they get the whole cavity, little cavity, and then skim coat over that. Like this surface right here, no. They gotta, what they do is, there's one, but that's not enough. Look at all that smooth. All that smooth right there. They're gonna have to, what they do is they get a stick and drive a nail through it. And then, you know, a concrete nail. And they drive a concrete nail through some bamboo. And then, that way they ain't gonna hit their fingers. And they hammered little divots all over that smooth surface. Then they can skim coat it. And it sticks good. You know, paint in anything like that that's a thin surface sticks good to rough surface. So, all right, peace out from 62. Right now they're welding up there above me, so I'm gonna watch that. Don't weld your toes, JoJo. Welding on, standing on one piece of bamboo. I don't know, it takes some talent. One of that crew, you know, was Run, who took a half a day off for personal reasons. So he would have been probably welded some. But they got a couple guys, you know, Gary, he can do it all. So that was a good thing. I've said this before, but maybe the new people didn't hear, new subscribers. When I first started, I was talking to him initially. I said, but what if we need, do you know the plumbers or the electricians or any special field that we might need along the way? Do you already know who they are? He said, I know all. I know all. If I was you, that's what I would want to hear if somebody's going to take over the build. Say, what if we need somebody? No, we don't need anybody else. That's reassuring, right? It's like if I come to your house and you say, and I say, well, I'll do it for $5,000. Or, you know, with major construction, I'll do it for $50,000. You say, wow, that's a pretty good price, but what if we need, you know, I know all, everything. We don't need, but what if we need? So 62 to Freedom is off. They need a couple more gallons of epoxy primer for the C-purlins. You know, the extra precaution. You know, they're not going to be exposed to the weather, but they will be underneath the roof panels. So, you know, the moisture around here, you know, there's, you know, I mean, they're going to be covered, but I'd rather have it. They're galvanized, covered with epoxy primer, as you see up there. That gray, the gray steel up there. So, I'm going to get a couple more gallons. Rather put extra protection on them. You know, could have just put it up there. Could have just spotted the places that are gonna be welded. Just put a little bit on there. You know, wire brush it and put that on there. But I'd rather just paint the whole thing. I'd rather do a little extra than not a little, not enough. All right, I'm off.
Higher price.
Oh, Boise?
Yeah.
Should be 800.
Yeah, 800.
Yeah. Probably is at EI.
Yeah.
For inflation. Alright, see you tomorrow, man. Ooh. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh, it's open? Oh, thank you. I will fix it up there. All right. I am done for the day. Get ready to hop on my motorcycle. Welcome to 62 to Freedom, to all the new subscribers. In case you missed it, I'm my 401k to build this house, and then I'm gonna just live off partial Social Security. That's my plan. Let's see if I can do it.